This is the UnderCover UltraFlex on a Ford F-150 short bed. This is a hard folding bed cover that flips up all the way to the back window. It does not touch the back window, so it stops in this position right here. You can drive with it down the road with these rods on each side. There's a push down button that you just push down and it unlocks it, and you just push it on and it just clicks onto it. So it's easy to drive down the road like that. If you need a seat in the back, the water drain tube keeps the water out. So if any water gets in this rail system, it goes out of the back. This has this carpeted under panel, which is nice when you're folding it in the sun. It has a clamp on rail, so there's no drilling required. It uses these 3 clamps on each side to secure the cover down in place. This has a high quality rail system. You can drive with it open with these rods here on the side. You just lift it up and the cover comes right there. You can drive with the cover in this position with these buckle straps if you want to go down the road right there. This has a carpeted under panel, which gives it a nice soft feel when it's hot in the sun. You can drive with it in multiple positions on the truck bed. The warranty covers the latches on the cover, these ponents, these seals on the side, the finish on top. Anything you need, you can visit our store, Truck Access Plus, and we'll help you out. UnderCover UltraFlex.